All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. You see I have a circle here with a 30 weight stroke on it. And I'm going to scale this down and back up, and we're going to have the stroke on and off. So it will scale with it and it won't. So I'm going to scale this down now, and you can see that it went from 30 to 13. So I'm going to put that back up. Now to turn that off, on and off, we can go to our scale tool over here, and I can just simply hit, turn on stroke and effects. There's also corners if you've rounded corners on a square. And then now if I scale this thing down, we're going to see that it stays at 30. The other way to do this is go up here to your Illustrator settings, just general, it's right here. There's a long list of stuff here, but you can find the same preference right here. And there's also scale corners right there too. So you hit that, and now it is enabled. So I'm going to just scale down, and you can see it got smaller again. So that's that. You have your scale tool and your Illustrator settings to use to toggle this on and off. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.